Hello, my name is Audra Platt, and I'm an estate planning attorney here at Pittman Law Office. And today I'm going to talk about quality of life and the type of discussion that you need to have with your administrators. So here at Pittman Law, if you have gotten a will package with us or a revocable trust, or if we've done your incapacity documents, you've gotten 3 major medical documents from us. We did a HIPAA authorization for you. We also did a living will and a designation of healthcare surrogate. Now your HIPAA, that simply just says who can call the doctor to see how you're doing. But the 2 that I'm going to discuss is your living will and your designation of healthcare surrogate. So these 2 documents, they're dealing with medical decisions. Specifically, your designation of healthcare surrogate is dealing with quality of life issues. So when you have a designation of healthcare surrogate, you typically have a spouse if you're married named first, and then you have your administrators under that to say who can make a medical decision for you. And that healthcare surrogate, it doesn't give your administrator any direction on what type of decision to make for you. It simply gives them the authority to make that decision. So discussing with your administrators the type of lifestyle you want to live or the quality of life that you think is important is very, very important to discuss with your administrators. First, it will just help them make the decision, but second, it will take a burden off of their shoulders if they know exactly what you want in that time of need. So if you have dementia, dementia is a condition that is not covered by your living will. So it's very important that you have that discussion with your administrator so they know if you have dementia and you needed a feeding tube, per se, do you really want that feeding tube? Is that the type of quality of life that you want? So if you can discuss that with your administrator beforehand, then they know that when that happens, what to do. Also, if you needed to go into a long-term care facility, do you want to go to one around here, or do you want to move to maybe one that's closer to your administrator so they can keep an eye on you? What type of medication do you want to take? Are you allergic to any medications? Type of treatments that you're willing to take? So quality of life can range from medications to end-of-life decisions and anything in between. So it's very important that you have that discussion with them, let them know. I also have a lot of our clients that ask if they can write something down. Absolutely. Write something down, stick it in your binder or your folder that you get from us so your administrators know what you want. Now, I'm not telling you that that's going to be legal, but it will help your administrators at the time make the decision. So if you have any questions on if your healthcare surrogate or your living will or HIPAA authorization is up to date, or you need those documents, please don't hesitate. Give us a call at Pittman Law. Our number is 352-399-6944.